Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you exactly how to use DSers with Shopify step by step. If you're just getting started with dropshipping in 2025, DSers is one of the best tools to find product, place orders with AliExpress and automate your Shopify store. So grab a copy, hit that like button, and let's get started your Shopify dropshipping store set up with DSers right away. What actually is DSers? So Deser is an official AliExpress dropshipping partner. It lets you import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, place bulk orders in one click, and track everything in one place. Think of Desers as your dropshipping assistant. It saves you tons of time so you can focus on marketing and growing your store. Now let's talk about install Desers from the Shopify app store. So first you just need to go to the Shopify Desers store and just click to the apps. Once you click over here to the apps, from that place you can download the Desers, like search here, or you can just go to the setting. Once you come over here, then just go to the apps and sales channel and click on Shopify app store. Once you click over here, it will open in a new tab. In the search bar, type Desers here and then hit enter, and you will get to the Desers account here, AliExpress dropshipping. You just need to be clicked on install. Once it install, you will be asked to create Desers account. It is free to start. Just use your email and create a password. So here we just need to be install it, as it just click on install. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes to the install. So we just need to be keep patience here. Once it's done, then we will get to the connect our Deser account. So I will just click to the login and authorize. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and here you just need to be provide your mail address. So like your password, I'll give the password in here and then just click to the login and authorize. So here I will provide the Gmail account I have. So I'll copy the Gmail address from that place. So I'm not remember the address, that is the problem. So I will paste it here, and here I will just click to the login and authorize. So then let's try to provide our password and just click to the login and authorize. So there is a couple of problems maybe we have, so we just need to be keep patient. Let's do it again. Come back to our Shopify, and here you can see this are already been opened. Just click on open app, and here we just need to be provide our password, and here actually we are just need to be authorize ourselves. So I will click over here and it will take a couple of minutes. So I will paste it here, and then I will give this one, and here just login and authorize. It will take a couple of minutes to the login, so you just need to be keep patient. And here actually you can see it already been done, and here I will just click on continue. Upgrade plan, no store are available. Please try again after binding store. Okay, now I want to change the account. No problem. I will go over here Desers, and we are into the Desers right now. Here actually you can see. So we just need to be remove our Shopify store from that place. So I will click over here, and no store available. Okay, that not a problem. So I will remove the Desers. Couple of store, this is not existing, so that is the problem. So here I will just click over that one, and here you can see we already set up all the things. So I'll go over here and just click to the account. Once I click over here, it will redirect us to that place, and here you can send verification email. So we are going to verify our email. Once you create an account, it will take a couple of minutes. You just need to be verify your Desers account first of all. So here it will take 15 minutes, so you just need to be wait a bit. So here you can activate Desers partner account also. It is totally up to you. So now here let's come back to that one. To keep your account secret, please verify email address. We will send verification email to you. So if not get that, don't afraid. Here you just need to be go to the dashboard again, come back to that one and go to this one, the Desers, and then back this one. So from that place you just need to be connect your AliExpress account. So I will go over that place, just go to the setting, and here you can see we have this one. So I will click on this place, and here next you need to connect your AliExpress to Desers. In the Desers dashboard you will see an option to link AliExpress account. You just need to be click it and log in with your AliExpress account. If you don't have an AliExpress account yet, it only takes a minute to create one. This connection is what allows DSers to automatically place your orders on AliExpress when someone buys from your Shopify store. So here I am going to remove that one. So here we are allowed to remove this one. Let's find it out. Okay, we just need to be check this one. So I will click to the general setting, and from that place you can add your stop account also. Then the notification we have application management. You just need to click on add store, upgrade your plan. So we already added 2 accounts, that's why we're not able to add another Shopify store. So here we are going to disable a couple of stores available platform. So customize, place both, push orders, pricing, currency. Then here you can see this is the pricing rule. If you want to enable it, you are allowed to enable this one. Then here we are going to this one, setting. So active this feature to crash tracking. So if you want to remove this and add, you are not able to remove any apps if on time aligned with your this DSers. So right now we just need to be connect our this address, this Shopify apps. So that for a reason, but this process is really same. You just need to be come over here and you can see our Shopify address already been added. So if been detect that your stores will are not available anywhere for reasons, you just need to click relink button. Just click on relink. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and open you in the same page. Return to admin dashboard. It return you to that place, and here you just need to click on update, and let's say, does it really work? Not. It is not work yet, so you just need to click OK. So if you add 3 accounts in any DSers, you will not able to add another one with the free version. But if you have the premium, you can add as much website you want to add, you are able to do it. So now we are going to talk about how you can find product and import products. So here, as you think that we already find the product, we just need to click the product and let's find out the product is really great or not. So once you feel that yes, it is okay, we can go with that place. You just need to come over that place, and here you will get this option, add to import list. Like here we already import this one, so we are not able to import this again. So let's say we are going to import this one. You just need to click on add to import list. Once you click over here, then click on got it, and again click this one, and it already been imported. Now you will get a message that the product imported successfully. Please go to the import list to check. You just need to click onto the check to check your import list, and here you can see we already imported this one. So once you imported this one, you just need to click to the push to store, and this way you can push your product to your official store in product list. So this way you are able to do this thing. So here you just need to click on push store, and then you just need to select your website, your Shopify website, and then just click to the push to store, and your product will be pushed perfectly in here. So this is the so much easiest way, and I hope you understand how easy the process was. Let me give you a bonus tip. Always check supplier ratings and reviews on AliExpress. Pick reliable suppliers with fast shipping. Use DSers supplier optimizers to find better deals if you need to switch supplier later. And consider upgrading to DSers paid plan if you want more features like advanced mapping and multiple stores. And that's it for today. Now you know actually how to use DSers with Shopify step by step in 2025. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.